Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young, go hard, and like Jack Skellington. I'm out here trying to steal Halloween and Christmas at the same time. Of course, I am the P-A-R-T-Y Monster. Back in the realm of Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my most recent pickup from SneakerUnion USA, based out of Miami. Definitely my favorite sneaker store. I shop at them all the time. They have the best prices, great customer service, and I cannot say enough good things about them. For those that don't know, I'm actually going to Miami next year for Rolling Loud. So, you know, if I'm out there and they're out there, I might have to go make a stop. Hell, I might film some content in there. Who knows? Definitely been trying to get in touch with them. But, yeah, definitely looks like it's going to be really promising and everything. So, today, I'm going to show you guys my newest shoe. I'm super excited to show you guys what it is. I know exactly what it is, but definitely a shoe that I've been on the fence about and everything for a while, but saw for a really good price and pulled the trigger, and yes, so we're going to get into that today. But before we do all that, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button and join the Monster Club, the best club on YouTube. I know, super biased, but I don't give a shit. I'm not going to lie. I love you guys. I do appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing me in the comment section and just checking out my newest video. Your boy is always grinding, and yes, the goal in 2023 is to be monetized. So I'm going to do whatever it takes. I'm going to be grinding, putting together the best content I possibly can. Just trying different things out here and everything. Like, we're going to be doing the unboxings, the drinking, of course. That's the standard on this channel. But, you know, your boy's going to try to upgrade his game a little bit, you know, just bringing new stuff and whatnot. So let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see more of on this channel. I will definitely deliver and just make it just the best channel it can be. Like, I definitely do want to give you guys the best and everything. So, yes. Like I said, this comes courtesy of SneakerUnion USA. Again, you've seen my channel before. You guys have seen me talk about this place a billion times, but I can't say enough good things about them. And yes, we're going to get into it today, right about now. Okay, guys, so it has to be said, your boy is an idiot sometimes. So here's the deal. I was wholeheartedly convinced that I had to work this morning. So I was up bright and early, went to work, and only to find out that I was actually off today. So I spent 2 hours just sitting around where my job is for no apparent reason. And granted, I did call and knock on the window and everything, but nobody was there. I work in the morning, so that's kind of why I was there. And yeah, but it is what it is. Football Sunday, Sunday fun day, and your boy's going to enjoy it. And of course, you know what we do on this channel. You can see it in the corner behind me. And yes, let's take a shot to the Monster Club, the best club on YouTube. It is the Natty Daddy for those that are curious. It was almost empty because I've been drinking all morning. So yeah, I decided I'm going to go back to doing things the way I used to when I first started this channel. And for those that don't know, for every subscriber I got, I would just do a shot. So I'm thinking that if you guys subscribe to my channel, I'll just take a shot of Henny for every new subscriber, and I'll definitely do it in that that upcoming video. So if I get, say, 5 subscribers in this video, I'll do 5 shots of Henny the next video and just keep it going forward and everything. So yes, if you guys want to see your boy drinking extra hard on this channel, and I don't know, I gotta say, like, when I drink, I just get more entertaining for those that don't know me. But yes, the box is here. It got a little delayed. It should have probably been here while I was on vacation, but whatever. I'm not here, so I can't wear it, so it's not that big a deal. But yes, let's get right into it real quick. Try my best not to cut myself. Okay, let's put that down. Take another drink. I love the alcohol. Wow, what in the hell? Okay, so first glance, the box has definitely seen better days, but honestly, I don't give that many shits about a box because you can't wear a box, but when it's in nice condition, that's always a plus. But anyway, it's a size 9 for those who are curious, and the label reads black hyper combat white nor Blanco Hyper Combat. Cobalt. And they are the Nike Dunk Cobalt Blues. Check them out. They are here in full glory. And that's pretty cool. The person who had these prior to me actually, well, they kind of taped the insole, because you can definitely see it is taped, but the E is definitely kind of fading away. So yeah, we have the Cobalt Blues in the building. Not really any creasing on the toe box, which is always a plus. And yeah, this is definitely one of those colorways I saw and just didn't really know how to think of or how to feel about it. Like, I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it enough to go pay resale for it. Well, until now and everything. But I think I paid like $130 for these, or $125, something along that range, and couldn't be happier. It's a dope shoe, size 9. I rock with it, and definitely can see it's a little worn and everything. There are star loss at the front of the toe box and whatnot. Well, the front of the toe. But still a dope shoe regardless of that. Here's the other one. Okay, this one's a little bit better. The Nike is definitely fully intact because of the tape and everything. But yeah, whoever owned these definitely took really good care of their shoe and whatnot. And yeah, I couldn't be happier with this pickup. And this is definitely something I can't wait to rock and everything. And I can definitely say I am super excited about my top 10, because there are actually going to be some dunks on it this year. Last year's definitely lacked the dunks, but dunks are back in 2022. And yeah, I don't know if this one in particular will be on that countdown, but there's definitely some special things on that countdown, I can say. And there might even be a designer shoe, which has never been on my list, but 2022, things have changed up a little bit. So yes, that's going to do it for this quick first look at the Nike Dunk Cobalt Blues. I love them. Dope shoe. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Definitely share with a friend. And more importantly, if you do nothing else and take nothing away from this video, but what I'm about to say next, definitely hit that subscribe button and join the Monster Club, the best club on YouTube. Again, super biased. Don't give a shit still. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Definitely share with a friend, like it, comment, do all that good stuff. But more importantly, feel the vibe, hit subscribe. Again, let's get there, that 1,000 range and whatnot. But other than that, be excellent to each other, guys, and party on. Peace.